Hello everybody, my name is Halina Gliwa and today I would like to show you a great tool for stress management. This technique is called Nadi Shodhana, alternate nostril breathing. And I usually do this after my asana practice, so after my yoga practice. Okay, so what are the great benefits of this technique of Nadi Shodhana? Well, first of all, it improves concentration. It supports our lungs and our respiratory system, restores balance in the hemispheres of the brain, removes toxins, and it's also believed to clear the energetic channels of the body. And these channels in Sanskrit, they're called nadis. That's why it's called Nadi Shodhana. And generally, this is just a really fantastic tool for stressy times, and it helped me lots of times to stabilize a little bit of my emotions, to calm down and get some new energy. So let me show you how to practice this technique. Okay, so choose a comfortable sitting position, either cross-legged on the floor with a cushion or maybe a blanket to support the spine, or in a chair with your feet flat on the floor. Just please remember to keep your back straight throughout the whole practice. This is very important. Okay, so begin with taking a full deep inhalation and a deep exhalation. One more time, inhale, deep into the belly, and exhale. Now fold the tips of the index and middle fingers inward. And you will alternately use the right thumb to close the right nostril and the right ring and pinky fingers together to close the left nostril. Yeah, so this is the movement that we will practice. So use the right thumb to close the right nostril. Exhale through the left nostril slowly and deeply to get rid of all the air from your lungs. And now inhale deeply, keeping your right nostril closed. Inhale deeply through the left nostril. Now close the left nostril, exhale through the right one. And again, close the right nostril. Inhale through the left. Close the left nostril, exhale through the right nostril. 3 more times. Inhale through the left. Exhale through the right nostril. Again, inhale. And exhale. Last time, inhale through the left nostril. Exhale through the right one. Okay, and now we change the sides. You inhale through the right nostril. Close your right nostril. Exhale through the left nostril. And again, we do this 5 times. So inhale through the right. Close the right nostril. Exhale through the left one. Inhale. Nice and deep. Exhale. And again, inhale through the right. nostril, exhale through the left one. And last one, inhale, close, exhale. Nice and deep. Okay, and now put both of your hands on your knees and inhale deeply and exhale few deep breaths. There are a few variations of this technique, so you might also want to try doing it really simply, just folding your fingers the same way and closing the right nostril, inhaling through the left nostril, closing the left nostril, exhaling through the right one, and now straight away inhaling through the right nostril, closing the right nostril, exhaling through the left, nice and deep. And again, inhale through the left, close the left nostril, exhale through the right, and again, inhale through the right one, close the right one, exhale through the left. Although for the very beginning, I would really recommend to start with 5 on the one side and 5 on the other side as we practiced before. So I hope it helped, and thank you for watching. Take care and see you soon.